Tradovate Review. Tradovate is a modern, cloud-based features trading platform and brokerage that offers tools for trading features and options on futures. It is known for its flat-rate commission-free membership model and its ability to be accessed from any device, including mobile and PC. So, it lets you trade from your web browser or phone application and you do not need to download big software. You just sign up at least $250 to your account and you are ready. It connects with other tools like TradingView so you can use charts and signals from there. These are its key features. You get real-time news on your charts, custom orders, or even a way to replay all market days to test ideas. There is a paper trading tool that's practice mode with fake money, but real prices. They have micro contracts which are small and cheap to try, like $50 each. So what are the pros? It is easy to start with low money, no monthly fee is required if you pay per trade, about 79 cents per site for futures. Mobile application works great anywhere and it is good for new traders who want a simple setup. It also has some cons. Some users say customer service is slow and Trustpilot gives it a low score of 2.6 out of 5, which is something to think about. A few complaints are also reported about platform glitches. So, what are the pricing details? Pricing is flexible, free plan with per trade fee or $1.99 a month for active trader deals or $1.99. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.